Here's my SmartVent setup. I have a regular floor vent being controlled by an RC car steering servo motor, being controlled by a WeMOS D1 Mini. This is an ESP8266 eval board, powered by its own USB power supply. Then I have another ESP8266 eval board. This is the Node MCU with its own power supply. Connected to that is the BMP280, which is a temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure sensor. I'm only using the temperature function for this project. Also connected to that is the OLED display, which is showing the IP address given to this Node MCU, what mode it's in, if it's in heating or cooling, if it's an automatic or manual control, the vent status, if it's open or closed, and the target temperature. Right now it's set to 70 degrees, plus or minus 2, so some hysteresis there, and then the current sensor temperature. This Node MCU is hosting a JavaScript web page, which is here. A couple things I could do here is I can toggle the LED just for fun. I can set the mode, heating versus cooling. I can set the vent mode if it's automatic or manual, and then open and close, and then the temperature, target temperature. So right now it's in cooling and in automatic, so the vent should be open because the sensor temperature is hotter than the target temperature, and it is open. If I were to set it to heating, then the vent closed. That's in heating mode, and that's because the sensor temperature is hotter than the target temperature. If I were to set it to manual mode, set to manual, vent is closed, I can go to open and close, open. If I set the target temperature, right now it's at 70 degrees, we'll put it back in automatic mode. It automatically closed, but if I set the target temperature in heating mode to hotter than the sensor temperature, then it should automatically open. And there you go, now it opened. Communication is done between the boards through HTML messages, and then both the tablet and the ESP8266 boards are communicating through a local access point. This is not connected to the internet, this is all local. And this is my little SmartVent project. Thanks.